Welcome back to the Motorcycle Enhancements channel. Today we're featuring the Kawasaki Vulcan S, which we've done some work on. Powder coated the wheels and put new tires, and Celeste is going to be seeing this video or seeing her bike for the first time with these wheels on it, and we'll see her expression. And here's Celeste. She's going to be seeing the bike for the first time.
Oh my God. Oh, John. Oh, beautiful.
What do you think?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
There you have it. We got the powder coated wheels, the orange she wanted. We just have a couple more things to fine tune on the bike. On the other side, a little touch of orange on the shift rod, just to tie it in. And we've got new stickers coming in for the Kawasaki Vulcan S. We're going to get rid of that green, so Vulcan S will be in orange also to match. And there you have it. You gonna enjoy that, Celeste? Nothing but the best for Celeste.
That's why they named me such. Oh my goodness, it's fantastic.
There you go.
Really, really nice. Really nice.
If you like more videos like this, hit that follow button and like us and follow us. Talk to you later.